Rabia had read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he divided his daily routines into three parts. First is administrative purpose, right? And the second part is for the public welfare and religious activities. And beta, he was so diligent, he was so devoted to his work that in sometimes administrative responsibilities, he even forgot to have his meals. So you can imagine that how engrossed he was in his work, right? So all this is about Harshvardhan. Yesterday, which we discussed about Nalanda University, right? Now I'll show
Yes.
you this in the presentation. Yes, in this map, can you see? All this is the part of the rule of Harshvardhan's period. Can you see? The yellow part, that is
Yes.
Harshvardhan's area of his rule, which I showed you even in the textbook. Yes. Now we will see about this Kanuj, how Kanuj came under Harshvardhan's control. Yes, Lady Sanya is there. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
read better this slide. Can you see my screen?
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue then. Read better.
Ma'am, can I read Tanzil?
Yes, Tanzil, read better.
Somebody's
Number
mic is unmute. Excuse me for a minute. Somebody's mic
Yes.
is unmute and there's some sound coming. Okay, so just mute your mic, girls.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, better.
Number one, Kanuj. Harshvardhan. Harsha, also known as Harshvardhana, was an Indian emperor who ruled North India from 606 to 647 CE. He belonged to Pushya Bhuti
See?
dynasty.
No. Dynasty, yes.
His father's name was Prabhakarvardhana. After the death of his father, Harsha's elder brother became the king of Dhaneshwar. His brother
Thanishwar, Thanishwar.
Dhaneshwar. His brother Rajyavardhan was killed God King Shashank. Their sister Rajyashri was imprisoned by Malwa King Devgupta. Under these circumstances, the leader advised Harsha to become the king of Dhaneshwar.
Yes. So all this is about introduction, which I gave you in the very first class, right? About his rule from 606 to 647 CE, and he ruled in North India. Yes. See here, this is North India. Okay. In the South India, whereas here till here he ruled. Okay. Okay. Whereas here in South India, we learn about Kanu. We learn about Pulkeshi too. Okay, so it was this time that he was the one who could take, who could rule for many years from 606 to 647 CE. Okay, and after his death of father Prabhakar Vardhan, his elder brother king became the king of Thanishwar. But then he was killed by whom? The king of God Shashank,
King.
right? Rajyavardhan was killed, and so and one of their sister, Rajeshri, she was also imprisoned by Malwa king Devgupta. So now what happened? That under this circumstances, what did the leaders advise?
The
What
leader's
happened?
advice was
Yes.
advise Harsha
What did they advise Harshvardhan?
to
To
become the
To
king
become
of
the king of
Dhaneshwar.
Maleshwar.
yes, the king of Thaneshwar, right? And
Yes.
so yes, he becomes the king of Thaneshwar. Now after becoming the king, right? What does he do that we will see? Immediate action of Harsha's kingship. Okay, what did he do after becoming king? King.
Yes. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Peter.
Can
Read.
I Modesa Rajani?
Tanzil.
Rajani.
At ma'am, can I know Tanzil?
No, Modisa Rajani was.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Immediate action of Herd's kingship. After first, after first, he decided to free his imprisoned sister Rajeshri, but her sister escaped from the
Clutches.
clutches of Devgupta and hid in the forest of Vindhyanchal. He started to search for his sister with help of forest people. Meanwhile, a Buddhist hermit, Divakar
Divakar
Mitra,
Mitra.
stopped Rajeshri from committing sati. Since his sister's kingdom, Kanuj, was without any king at that time. So he became the king of Kanuj and later he defeated the Malwa king Devgupta.
Yes. What is Sati? Anyone remembers? I had explained about Sati Pratha. Huh, beta?
What, ma'am?
Anyone remembers about Sati Pratha? What is Sati? No one remembers? Okay, now what is Sati Pratha? It is an old ritual. Okay, एक प्रथा थी जिसमें you know what will happen if a husband dies, okay, in a war, if he attains martyrdom in a war, or for some other reasons, if he dies, then the wife of that husband will also die behind him, है ना, उनकी ही चिता में जल जल जाए या फिर किसी और तरीके से, तो दैट इज नोन एज कमिटिंग सती. So is it good? Is it good?
No,
No. So this sati custom and this tradition was removed by many of our leaders like Raja Ram Mohan Roy and their efforts, right? तो आज वो सिस्टम नहीं है, सती प्रथा, दूध पीती, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस, all the system have been disappeared, right? They are
yes,
not there today because now it is considered as crime, गुनाह है वो, है ना, किसी को फोर्सिबली सती बनाना गुनाह है. पर previously during this period sati committing sati was quietly common. तो आफ्टर इमीडिएट एक्शन में हर्षवर्धन ने क्या किया, तुरंत ही आते ही
what?
ये,
Ma'am, can you please repeat? I can't hear.
हाँ, व्हाट हैपेंड, what did he do? He tried to escape her sister, right? And sorry, he tried to release his sister who was imprisoned, Rajeshri, right? But meanwhile his sister has escaped in the Vindhya forest, where with the help of the people of forest and Divakar Mitra, Rajeshri was protected, saved from committing sati, right? Now, since his sister kingdom Kanuj was without any king at that time, particularly that time, so he became the king of Kanuj. Who became the king of Kanuj? Harshvardhan, right? And the first thing what he did, he defeated Malwa king Devgupta. Why? बिकॉज मालवा किंग देवगुप्ता ने क्या किया था, उनकी सिस्टर को इम्प्रिजन किया था. अंडरस्टूड?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am,
क्या किया था?
ma'am,
हाँ बोलो, राजेश्री को
ma'am,
बंदी बनाया
they,
था, इम्प्रिजन किया
ma'am,
था. Hmm?
That pictures is of Harshvardhan.
Yes. Now हर्षवर्धन रिवेंज विद शशांक, शशांक से क्यों उन्होंने बदला लिया बताओ चलो। कौन बताएगा मुझे? Who will say me why he took revenge with शशांक?
Ma'am, can I say Rabia?
Yes, say Rabia.
Ma'am, because Shashank killed Rajyavardhan,
Who was Rajyavardhan?
Harshvardhan's elder
Harshvardhan's
brother.
brother.
Yes, absolutely right. That is why he killed Shashank. He defeated Shashank. But you know, to defeat Shashank was not an easy task for Harshvardhan. So he had to form an alliance. You know, he had to form an army. He had to combine with the king of Kamrup. That is, his name is Bhaskar Varman. है ना? To defeat God King was not easy, right? And he defeated King God Shashank, and he also took over his kingdom, right? And this way, with the help of what? With the help of huge army, he did all this, right? एंड फिर उसने धीमे 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 मालवा को, सौराष्ट्र को, पुलकेशी को, सबको डिफीट करना चालू किया। बट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पुलकेशी जो चाणक्य किंग थे साउथ इंडिया के, उनको वो डिफीट नहीं कर पाए। बहुत सारी वॉर्स वेजिस की, बट उनको वो डिफीट नहीं कर पाए। इसीलिए हम सेकंड पार्ट जो पढ़ने वाले हैं यहाँ नीचे, वो साउथ इंडिया, वो किससे रूल होता था? यहाँ का नीचे का इंडिया पुलकेशी टू से। अंडरस्टूड? यस यस, राबिया, रीड दिस स्लाइड। राबिया,
Ma'am, can I mod this?
मुझे से टर्न है का
Ma'am, can I read Insia
राबिया,
Fatima? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
can
I
I
read?
read Amiri Fatima?
मेरी फातिमा रीड, यस
Harshvardhan revenge with Shashank.
शशांक,
Shashank.
रिवेंज નથી, રિવેન્જ છે, રિવેન્જ। સ્પેલિંગ પढ़ो, जो आपको प्रोनाउंसिएशन में प्रॉब्लम हो तो रीड द स्पेलिंग, ओके? आई हेल्प यू टू प्रोनाउंस इट।
Revenge with Shashank. He formed an alliance with King of Kamrup.
फिर आपके माइक में से पीछे से बहुत आवाज आ रही है। यस,
He formed alliance with King of Kamrup, Bhaskavaram,
पर वर्मन,
Bhashwaram, and defend the god king Shashank and won his kingdom with the help of huge army. Later he defended Malwa and Sarushtra but
सौराष्ट्र,
failed to
सौराष्ट्र,
defend Pulakesh, Pulakesh too. Pulakeshia,
टू,
Pulakeshia too. Chalukya king of South India. After winning wars of 7 years continuously, his kingdom became one of the largest kingdoms in North India.
yes, understood, clear? Now, Harshvardhan's administration, I explained you right now. Remember Harshvardhan's administration? How did he work? How did he work? Who will say me? Yes, no one will say me.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, sir.
Harshvardhan Harshvardhan personally supervised administration by traveling all the different parts of state.
Extensively of different parts of the. Yes, continue later.
Yes, ma'am. He divided his routes into three parts. Number one, admin, administration, administration purpose. Number two, public welfare. Number three, religious activities. He was so hardworking in doing his administrative work that sometimes he forgot eat his meal.
Yes. So how did he divide his routine beta? Into three parts. Into how many parts?
Three parts. Three
Yes, which
parts.
are those?
Administration purpose, public welfare, and religious activities.
Yes, and religious activities. So what what did he forget? He forget sometimes even for the administrative work. He was so much hard working that he forgot to have his meal also. खाना भी भूल जाते थे वो. Understood everyone till here? Now
Yes,
about
ma'am. Understood.
Nalanda University. Yes, who will read this?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, okay. What is your name?
Sanya.
Yes, Sanya, read it.
Emperor Harshvardhan's Empire, Nalanda University. Harsha gave all possible help to Acharya Shilbhadra to make Nalanda a world famous university. The university had access to the revenue of 100 villages given by Harsha for its maintenance. Famous chemist Acharya Nagarjuna also belonged to Nalanda University. He proved iron, arsenic, poison, and mercury can be used as medicine.
Mm-hmm. So, what is Nalanda University? It is the biggest achievement of Harshvardhan. Yes, and he gave all his help, possible help to whom? To Acharya Shilbhadra to make a Nalanda University world famous university. Nalanda University is इतनी famous थी कि people, students from China, students from other places also used to come and study in Nalanda University.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Who is it?
Mary Fatima.
Other girls can listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who all cannot listen me?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, better read.
Okay, ma'am. Empire Harshvan, Harshvardhan Empire, Nalanda University. Harsha gave e. Harsha gave all possible help to Acharya Shikadadra to make Nalanda a world famous university. The university had access to the regency of 100 villages given by Harsha for its maintenance. Famous chemist Acharya Nagarjuna also
Nagarjuna.
belongs to Nalanda
Nagarjuna.
University. He provides iron, arsenic, arsenic. What is this?
Arsenic, that is known as, that is a poison.
Poison and mercury.
Mercury can be used as medicine.
Yes. So all this is आचार्य शिलभद्र को हर तरह की हेल्प किसने की थी? हर्षवर्धन ने, to make Nalanda a world famous university. Okay, and university को इतना ही नहीं, 100 विलेजेस का जो भी रेवेन्यू आता था, जो भी टैक्स कलेक्शन होता था, वो सब उसको ही मिलता था। नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी इसको किसको, हर्षवर्धन किसको दे देते थे? To Nalanda University, for the development of the Nalanda University. Apart from that, with a famous chemist जो थे नागार्जुन, he also belonged to Nalanda University, and he proved what? He proved that iron and arsenic and mercury can be used as medicines. So all this was about Nalanda University. एक मिनट है बेटा. So imprints left by King Harsha. What is happening this? Yes, beta, who will read this? What is happening? Yes, can you see my screen or not, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
can see.
Okay, okay, read them, beta.
This is coming.
Hmm?
Ma'am, this is coming again and again. Google keep stopping that.
आपको भी आ रहा है ये? दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is happening? I don't know. तो क्या करूँ मैं? ऐप इन्फो की क्लोज ऐप? चलो, अरे बाप रे, चलो रीड. अरे read and restart that. अरे
Yes, ma'am. आ रहा है.
अभी भी आ रहा है? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, तो क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? I need to check. Wait, 1 minute. Still it is coming. I think something has went wrong with my phone. हर एक जगह आ रहा है.
मैम अब नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, okay, okay. But from my screen, it is not. You have to complete your fair book.
What a miss. Shall I stop the recording?
Ma'am, stop because something is wrong with my
Stop the recording.
phone. Again, हाँ recording stop कर दीजिए. मैं हूँ अभी यहाँ पे. आप recording stop कर दीजिए. Now it is coming, girls. I think it is not coming, right?